So I woke up with a in my throat, so it's time to make some elderberry syrup. Y'all supposed to be making this with King and I, but he went to sleep. So let me get the actual recipe. So I'm about to add a cup of elderberries. These smell so good. And I got them dried elderberries from Sprouts, by the way. To add the water. Cinnamon stick. Also, I can't find my ginger, so I'm going to just use some powder, just 100% ground ginger, and I'm just going to do about a teaspoon. And also, I'm just going to do a sprinkle of clove and some orange and lemon zest. So basically, I just put everything in the Instant Pot except for the honey. So put the lid on, set it to sealing, and right. So I'm gonna put it on 7 minutes of manual pressure. Now we wait. So I'm just gonna let it cool a little bit longer, just a little bit more before I add in the honey, just because I don't want to heat up the honey too much, if that makes sense. So I decided to go ahead and add it to the jar. That way, when it gets all thick and syrupy, it's already in the jar that I'm storing it in versus trying to transfer it. So it made, let's see, it's about, I think this is about 600 milliliters. Let's see, about 2.5 cups. wanna taste some?
I'm gonna do.
Okay, here is our homemade elderberry syrup.